All right, so in this video, we're taking a look at Muzen Cyber Cube Bluetooth portable speaker, a little speaker with a lot of punch. My thoughts up next. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose Tech, checking out the cool gear that was sent to me for review and giving you my honest thoughts and opinions about it. And today, we're taking a look at Muzen's Cyber Cube portable Bluetooth speaker. I'm very familiar with Muzen's products. They sent me their Muzen Cyber Shell before in the past. Awesome sounding speaker, so I know what they're doing. They're doing a great job, and they know what they're doing. Currently, I'm using this as a speaker for my projector. It's got like horrible speakers built into it. So we connect this bad boy to it, and man, it just fills the room. Everybody really gets that cinema great sound experience. So yeah, this is a high recommendation. But man, so they go from this and they bring you this to Cyber Cube. A lot of sound and a compact design. So let's get straight to the unboxing of the Muzen Cyber Cube portable Bluetooth speaker. One thing I always like about Muzen is that they really give you a really great, fantastic unboxing experience. Just like the unboxing of the quality, it's like a preview of the product you're about to experience. So let's get straight into it and let's open this up. There we go. Let's put that away, and here we go. The Cyber Cube, and look at this beautiful, man. It fits just right here in the palm of your hand, and basically this is meant to be a really close experience. You know, it's not like a big speaker where it just kind of fills up the room. This is kind of like engulfing you in sound right here in your personal space. Further into the unboxing, it actually comes with a USB-C sticker, but you know, I got to attest, I'll tell you right now, this little speaker does have a great and amazing sound. And I want to read to you real quick how they describe their speaker. And it says, a futuristic design that blends mechanics and space. Subvert the traditional speaker design and feel the beauty of machinery. Design inspired by space futurism, every single painting detail makes sense. Music on your hand with palm size, delicate and cool, surprisingly good sound and light effects. Small playing, great attention to detail, and performance with square inch. The outbreak of sounds is surprising. That's their description, but I'm gonna give you my description right now. And again, very cool futuristic design. This thing is built like a tank. It's just like, it's got weight to it. You know, you're not gonna break it. You can just kind of toss it around and know that this will not break. This thing is solid, it's gonna be durable, and it's gonna last wherever you go, wherever you're using this. They do have this in 3 different designs. This is the standard version. They have a fidget spinner one, and they have like an outdoorsy one. I can imagine, you know, if this kind of sets the standard of how the other ones go, since it's a standard, yeah, this is great all around. So let's look really close. We can see our hard case design within it. It's really kind of give you a sense of, again, like I said before, how sturdy it is. You have a little loop design here they can put on your keychain or maybe your book bag or whatever. So it's right there with you. Like I said before, this really excels at near field sound. If it's just on your person, you're gonna have an amazing experience when it comes to the sound. You have a grill front mesh here as well, and you also have some RGB, which we'll see when we turn it on. And yeah, you've just got like all these little gadgets here that just makes it like, it's so intuitive, it's so busy, it's so intricate. It's a really nice sight for the eyes. All right, so if we press down here, we'll turn it on. Okay, awesome. And if we were to hold up on this part, then we'll be setting into Bluetooth mode, and your light here would be flashing faster, letting you know that's ready for a Bluetooth connection. Now, if we press the actual power button inside, believe it or not, this thing has a built-in flashlight and SOS. So if I hold it down, you'll see the flashlight come on. Right? Okay. So now it's on high, you press it again, it's on low, and then you press it again, and now it's on SOS. And you know, I guess this is for the people who just don't want to bother memorizing an SOS signal like me. It's connected.
To look for in each instance.
Thank you very much. If you don't want to bother memorizing an SOS signal, well, you know, it's built right into your Muzen Cyber Cube, which is really cool. And now it's picking up everything from my phone. Let's move along. Hold it again, and we'll turn the light off. Awesome. You've got the tab right here to your right, where if you click it to the right, you'll move to the next track. Click it to the left, you'll move to the previous track, and you press play right here, and then you'll play or pause whatever's happening.
So the next thing.
There we go. Right over here on the right, this big dial, this is our volume knob right here. So it'll actually raise the volume of the actual device that it's connected to. Go to the right, Go to the right, to the left, turn it up, turn it down. On the top here, this button on top of the volume knob, this is what affects the RGB patterns that are happening here, and you have 5 different presets that you can cycle through for your RGB pattern on the Cyber Cube. Right off here to the right, this is your USB-C charging port. Okay, that you can use to actually charge it, and it does come with a USB-C charging cable. And yeah, this is it. The Muzen Cyber Cube Bluetooth portable speaker. Now, I can only go so much as far as the specs of the actual speaker, so I'm just going to share with you my actual experiences when it comes to using a speaker, which are impressive to say the least. I took it out of the box. I'm like, okay, well, they've got a smaller Bluetooth speaker. How is this going to sound? And it sounds amazing. Connecting my phone was quick, simple, speedy, quick, right? And I was just. And as soon as I started just playing music, I couldn't believe the sound, the presence. It's stuck on blue. Let me change it up. I couldn't believe the presence or the oomph that was coming out of the speaker. It was just something. It was very much like a Muzen-esque, but just how they fit into this thing, it just kind of wowed me. And as I was playing music, I was really, how can I best describe this? When you're feeling music, you just feel it in your body. You just start pumping like, man, I'm feeling this. I feel the music. I feel like I'm engulfed in the music. It feels like the music's inside of me. This gave me that feeling right here in the palm of my hand. I'm just like, man, Dad, this just sounds good. I'm feeling everything. I'm feeling in tune. Now, if I can be honest with you, I'm very much an introvert, right? I'm not really trying to blast my speaker out. I'm not really trying to blast my speaker out and have like the entire neighborhood or people or like 30 feet around me, people like kind of like, hey, that guy's listening to that. I'm not that kind of person. I just kind of like to stay it right here. Or if I have someone close right next to me, just the two of us just kind of like enjoying this, right? This is that experience that I got with that. You probably walk away 10 or 15 feet away from this, you're gonna lose the oomph, but that's okay. I really think this was designed for this personal like groove experience. You know, if maybe you're in the backyard and you're grilling like I was, right? And people listen to other music. I had this right next to the grill, and I'm jamming to what I want to. It's just kind of like it's just right here. I don't know how else I can describe it, but if you're trying to jam out within like a personal space, I would call this like the introvert speaker. Yeah, it's so good. I use this when I'm working out. I just put it right there as I'm working out, filling up that little space right here with just amazing full sound. I love absorbing content, so when I take this into the shower a lot, right? Whether it's a music podcast or just, you know, videos and whatever, I'll put this on the edge of the shower. I'll put on the soap dish, whatever. I'll put on the bottom where the tile is, whatever. It's waterproof, and I'm still jamming and I'm absorbing content right here in the shower. And that's what I love about it. Because it's not such a big size and it's just a portable little size, I can take this wherever I want to go. I can strap this to my book bag, to like a fanny pack, whatever, a purse, whatever, right? To my keychain. It's always right here next to me, and I can just go from hop to hop to hop. I don't have to think about, man, do I want this speaker set here? Where do I want it? It's everywhere. It's that complementary, let's call it the B speaker, that it just goes all the way around. That's why I love the speaker so much. It's really it's outperformed all my expectations when it comes to what it is. So yeah. Now I've gushed so much about the speaker. What are the kind of like the hiccups I think about the speaker so far? All right, well, there's only one thing. And how do I describe it? The Muzen Cyber Cube, it's like it's an overclocked PC but a speaker, meaning like the drivers of this speaker is doing more than what it actually should be doing. So when I say that, if there's really thumping, heavy beat music and you have this on 100%, you're gonna get a sense of like, oh, I can kind of sense the drivers kind of stressing. So what I would do, I would just kind of click it back to 95, and then there we go. You don't feel or have that sense of like the drivers are stressing. 95 is still a good, loud, impressive sound, and you're still getting that music and that feeling and that experience that I was trying to express to you. But when it gets at 100 and you're trying to blast it, you're gonna have that sense like, oh, I'm kind of stressing it, but whatever. Just a couple clicks, and then you're good to go, and you're still getting that same great sense sound. So yeah, the Muzen Cyber Cube portable Bluetooth speaker. I got nothing but good things to say about this. This is a really good, fantastic portable Bluetooth speaker that you're just gonna feel everything about it, and does a really good job of just really bringing you into that immersive sound experience. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's it. I'll leave links in the description down below so you can check out and pick up your own Muzen Cyber Cube speaker. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. And don't forget, guys, learn, do, and share. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Yeah, you are one sexy little thing. We're going everywhere.